Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how to check storage usage by all the installed apps on your mobile. So in order to check the storage, we need to open the file manager on our Android mobile. See here, there is an app called Google Files, which is the default file manager on the Android mobile. First of all, this is uh, nothing for a mobile. Not only on this mobile, for all the recent mobiles, the default file manager is Google Files. To open the Google Files, sorry, it is Google Files. Yeah, see here, under the categories there are different sections like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents, apps. We need to click on apps. Right away here it is already showing you 17 GB of the total data on my Android device is taken up by the apps. So when I open this, individually I can check which app is taking most. And see here, there are three sections: installed apps, system apps, and apps installed by APKs. That means you download from the Chrome or other browsers, right? Like such. So I don't have that. I have system apps and I have installed apps. So see here, I can click on this large. So there are two large apps, one is Facebook and one is Instagram, and there is an option to compress also, but I'm not going to do that. I'll be pressing on the back button. Here on the three dots, see there is a compress option, but I don't know what will happen if we compress. Maybe some of the pictures will be shown you in the pixelated, something like that, so I'm not going to do that. Unused apps, there are no unused apps. So yeah, system apps. See here, just below the name you can see 104 MB taken up by the Google's files by Google app. Likewise, individually you can check which app is taking or eating up a lot of storage. If you feel that particular app is not needed, you may uninstall that. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.